This is video footage of a drumming pileated woodpecker viewed in iMovie. The original video clip was cut at this point. To the left of the cut, there are vibrations of the body. This is the driving force. The vibrations go all the way to the tail, which is an anchor point. The original video clip was cut at the point at which the vibrations stop. There are no vibrations to the right of the cut. Let's first play the entire event. Now let's play the part after the cut. The body has stopped vibrating, but there are still a few impacts.